You're watching The Buck Stops Here and another big political debate tonight. Controversy in Rajasthan after an education ministry circular asks for blood donation camps to be organized on the 25th of this month to coincide with Deen Dayal Upadhyay's birthday. Nothing in that would be problematic except that the day coincides also with Eid, which means that those who are employed in these colleges, who are government employees, who are wanting to celebrate Eid may not be able to celebrate their festival. Of course, when questioned, the education minister said that if Muslims wanted to take the day off, they would be allowed to do so and attendance would not be compulsory. But the larger question becomes, why choose a holiday like Eid to actually organize the blood donation camp? Could Deen Dayal Upadhyay's birthday have been marked, for example, on the eve of Eid, as was done for Teachers' Day and Janmashtami earlier this month? Let's introduce our panel this evening. Joining us from the BJP is Sambit Patra. Joining us from the Congress is Rita Bahuguna Joshi. With me in the studio is Professor Rakesh Sinha, historian and RSS ideologue. Also joining me is Shahid Siddiqui, editor, Nayi Dunya. Shahid, let me start with you. What do you make of this? We now have the education minister saying it's not compulsory, but this is the same controversy we saw with the Good Governance Day sort of fiasco that took place. Then again, the government actually had to withdraw that circular. Do you believe it's enough to say that it is not compulsory and any Muslim employee who wants to take off will be allowed to do so? Or do you believe the symbolism in itself is a problem?
Barkha, these are unnecessary controversies, better to be avoided at a time when, you know, feelings are being aroused on every side. And especially with Muslims, when there are forces which are trying to drive them into a particular direction, and people like us are fighting those forces, and we have to fight to make our society, our country a much better place. And it's a noble cause. Have a blood donation camp, have it a day earlier or have it a day later. Why unnecessarily have it on the day of Bakr Eid, as you said was done at the time of Janmashtami and Teachers' Day? So, and we do it all the time. Whenever we have our birthday and we think that a holiday will suit everybody, we shift it a day or two to invite friends.
You're saying, Shahid, that this is actually helping extreme voices in the Muslim community, these kind of controversies. They're making them stronger.
Not in the Muslim community. In Muslim community, there are no extreme voices, but there are global extreme voices which are trying to, you know, provoke some people here, and there is a very small minuscule minority which is trying to exploit these issues, and there are political forces within the country which are trying to exploit these issues and tell the Muslims that, look, you are being, you know, pushed into a corner, and if those forces you know, succeed, then it will be extremely bad and dangerous for every one of us.
Sambit Patra, why this controversy? Why do you want issues like this to be the tags attached to the BJP, one after the other? Why is this happening? Why would you just not organize this blood donation camp a day earlier or a day later?
Barkha, you have to understand the genesis of this whole program. Number one, when this program was decided approximately months back, if I'm right, on 3rd of August 2015, then the dates of Bakr Eid in fact had not been decided. If I am right, with my little knowledge about Islam, even today the date of Bakr Eid is not absolutely decided. It may be 24th, it may be 25th, depending on the sighting of the crescent moon. I think Mr. Siddiqui can correct me if I am wrong. Secondly, we have to get into the basics as to why this program was initiated. The program was initiated with the view of the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, who desires that no one in Rajasthan should die because of dearth of blood. There should be plenty of blood in the hospitals of Rajasthan.
We're all saying the blood donation camp is a fine thought. Nothing to oppose in that.
I know that.
But the point is, does it have to be on a national, on a gazetted holiday? Shahid, the point being made that we could not have predicted when Eid was.
No, I have not completed myself. Let me complete myself, and thereafter you can please go to Shahid. See, what I mean to say is, now that the dates of Bakr Eid has not even been decided, I think this whole circular may be open to amendment, though I'm not committing anything. It may be open to amendment. Why do we start exploiting the whole issue? As rightly pointed out by Mr. Siddiqui right now, that there is a whole agenda driving force in this country, which immediately jumps into the bandwagon, try to exploit the situation over here.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi, the point being made is that this is not an issue on which anybody should play politics, because what's at stake is much higher than that. What is the Congress position on this?
Well, you see, See, the intention of a government is seen by the acts of the government. In the past 15-16 months, how many things have happened? You first converted the Christmas into a good governance day, then Surya Namaskar, then Vande Mataram, then Batra school books, and then meat ban, and now this blood donation day. I mean, what is the intention? Normally, I would have said it's an unfortunate decision, and some way they're saying, okay, they may withdraw it. But it is a deliberate attempt to subvert and to create divisiveness amongst the society. They want to subvert the idea that we are a multi-religious country.
Let me get Professor Rakesh Sinha.
Every religion has
Professor
its right
Rakesh
to
Sinha,
celebrate
you know,
its festivals.
Many things
it is unfortunate that they're doing this.
Yeah, let me get Rakesh Sinha to respond to this. Rakesh Sinha, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है RSS के नाम में, संघ के नाम में. You know, महेश शर्मा के साथ you were on a program with me last week, वो cultural pollution की बात कर रहे थे. अब वो दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जी के जन्मदिन की बात होती है तो blood donation. Is it necessary to have it on the same day as Eid?
First of all, I will like to comment on Rita Bahuna's remark. She has clubbed together even the Vande Mataram yoga. While the entire country has consensus that yoga has nothing to do with any ideology, any religion. Entire world is accepting yoga day, and she is coloring. And Vande Mataram, this is the aberration of secularism which BJP government or RSS wants to correct. But here I would like to comment that while taking decision, every government should think that it should not cultivate illiberal image.
Yes.
Your intention is good, blood donation.
Yes.
And I agree with Sambit Patra that date was not decided. So Deendayal Upadhyay's date of birth is
a fixed date.
Is fixed date.
Yes.
This year, the government is celebrating the centenary year of Deendayal Upadhyay, just like Jawaharlal Nehru centenary, other government.
But Rakesh ji.
So I'm completing here. So government decided a blood donation camp. I just talked to education minister. Because we belong to a liberal democratic society. In liberal democratic society, every religion has its own place. And Hinduism or RSS don't disrespect any religion and the right of any religion to celebrate its festivals.
What but you have your culture minister saying that, the Bible and the Quran are not
one question. One question.
Just I
why the government schools and colleges?
Why
the government
education minister told me that it is not compulsory. There is a blood donation camp. It is completely voluntarily act. Anybody who wants to.
But do you believe that now that Rita ji, 1 minute? Do you believe the circular should be changed now that if we have?
Look, this is a democratic society. Government intention is not at all to disturb any community, and in Rajasthan there 9% Muslim population is there. If they feel that it is, I think that it is not hurting the Muslims. Muslims are not getting hurt by this blood donation camp. This is a noble cause on the noble day.
Of course, the blood donation camp is not hurting it, but it doesn't have to be on Eid.
This is the administrative decision, and I think if administrative decision.
Rita, what's your question for Rakesh Sinha? Rita, quickly, then I want to go to Shahid and Sambit. Rita?
My question is, why should it become a government program in government schools and colleges? Blood donation can be organized.
Why not?
Why
not?
I'm telling you.
They have such a huge. No, because you want to prove it that your government is run by Nagpur. You want to prove it that RSS.
No, let me come in. I want to answer this. I want to answer this question.
Rita ji, it is not run by any 10 Janpath. Rita ji, let me complete.
You have BJP units. You could have done it outside.
Let me come
with this. The
government
why? I'll answer that.
There is nothing wrong with blood donation camp. Congress can't utilize such. Congress can't do such noble. They can celebrate Rajiv Gandhi's birth centenary. They can celebrate Jawaharlal Nehru. Can't celebrate Deendayal Upadhyay.
Okay, Sambit Patra and Shahid Siddiqui. Sambit Patra. Rita Bahuguna ji, please 8 minutes.
If only you ask Rita Bahuguna Joshi ji to be quiet, we can answer.
Sambit, the question is this. 1 minute now, please. Rita ji, please, I'll come back to you. You made your point. You made your point. Now, Sambit Patra. Now we have the circular. We also have the dates. If the dates collide, people did see how that was adjusted for Janmashtami and Teachers' Day. Can the same thing be done here, Sambit? It's a very small thing. कोई तो ये नहीं कह रहा कि ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप आप मत करिए, आप मत कमेमोरेट करिए दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जी का जन्मदिन. We are not saying that.
See, two things. Number one, as I told you, everything in this world is open to amendment for a liberal government.
Yes.
Secondly, The dates of Bakr Eid as yet has not been decided. It may be on 24th, it may be on 25, depending on the sighting of the moon. But the birth anniversary of Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Ji is a fixed day. And
but
remember,
both of the days on which, Samit, I must correct you, as far as I know, maybe Shahid can correct me, Eid will either be on the 24th or the 25th. And the circular says that both of those days are required to work for the blood donation camp. So, wo dono hi din problem hai.
I'll tell you one thing. Barkha, stand corrected. The circular has also been amended, in which it has been said that it is absolutely voluntary.
Yes.
And let me give you some figures which will correct the whole thing.
But that was not the case earlier in the
Number one,
circular
initially, just a second, Barkha, what is this? Initially, the aim of the state was to gather 1 lakh blood unit. The state has 20 lakh students in the colleges. But later the state came to learn that there are only 21,000.
Why isn't the organization donating blood?
College, ma'am, please do your homework and come. Please come, do your homework and come. College, mature adults study in college.
No, you do your homework.
She doesn't know anything, she comes for the debate. Ill prepared.
You're not supposed to.
Just a second, ma'am, don't interject. I am keeping the government factors, government facts over here. Number one, then the Barkha, can you ask Rita to please be quiet for a while?
Make your point.
Then the government came to learn that only 21,000 units of blood can in fact be put in the storage of the government units. That's the reason as to why only 21,000 approximately blood donations would be made that day. Rest of the people voluntarily, rest of the students voluntarily can come and write down a sankalp patra. You know that, well, yes, they may in the future donate blood. So only 21,000 volunteer donation. So how does it hurt anyone? How does it hurt anyone?
That's not the issue. Shahid Siddiqui, what is the issue here? We must come back to what the issue is. Rita ji, 1 minute. Now Shahid Siddiqui has to speak.
And pracharaks to donate blood outside.
Okay, Shahid Siddiqui. Shahid.
Barkha, Sambit is right that it will be 10 days before Bakr Eid that we will come to know which day Bakr Eid will be, either on 24th or 25th.
Yes.
Now, the camp has been organized for 2 days.
Yes.
So, what they can do is that they can have it for 1 day, either on 24th or on 25th. Yes. If the Bakr Eid is on 25th, they can have the camp on 24th. Yes. If the Bakr Eid is on 24th, they can have the camp on 25th. They will have 10 days to work on it.
Yes.
So, I don't think there should be any problem with that. So let's be liberal, let's be open, let's give the confidence to the minorities, especially to the Muslims, that this government is as concerned and as sensitive to their problems and issues and their concerns and their festivals as any other government has been. And let the criticism which is coming from their so-called secular lobby fail. Now, if that criticism is, and otherwise it sticks.
Yeah, that's a very good question.
Convince the minorities that they are in danger, their religion, their culture is in danger, which is wrong.
You know, the point is that many things are happening together. Maharashtra meat ban controversy, Mahesh Sharma's comments you have seen on this show, Rajasthan, this is happening, Christmas, good governance. So, एक impression बन जाता है that minorities are being treated differently under this government. Now, is it such a big thing अगर आप एक दिन इधर-उधर blood donation camp कर दें?
The question is here that if blood donation camp is 2 hours job, it is not a whole day job.
Yes.
It is let me make it clear that employees are not compulsory to attend the blood donation camp. If they want to come, they can. No.
जब circular पहले आया था तो 24 को सबका
look, in a democratic society,
there is a gazetted holiday. Let there be a holiday on the day of Eid. Why do you want anybody to come to school on that day? There is a gazetted holiday.
You do so many work. It doesn't mean that in gazetted holiday you sit in the home as idle. First thing that the intention of the government or any ideology or party is not to insult any religion or not to curb or censor any festival. No question arises. In India, the no question arises. It will never happen. It never happened. It is not happening. It will never happen. As far as ideology is concerned, it is not an ideological program at all. It is administrative decision of the government.
But should it happen on a gazetted holiday?
And as the government party,
should it happen on a gazetted holiday?
As the government party spokesman already made it clear that it is subject to amendment.
It is subject to amendment.
If the ruling party spokesman is saying on the TV channel, it is subject to amendment.
Why does it happen again and again on a holiday, gazetted holiday of minorities?
Sahid, I accept your concern.
Why this coincidence again and again?
I know your concern, but here is that. If Deen Dayal Upadhyay's centenary celebration is organized with a blood donation camp, this is a holy and noble cause.
We want to not take it as anti-religion, anti-Islam. In Islam,
I think Muslims should organize blood donation camps on the day before or day after. Muslims should go ahead.
You take it other way, that on the day of Eid, on the day of
donate blood. I will welcome and I will request the Muslims of Rajasthan to donate blood.
1 minute. Shahid Siddiqui, are you saying, Rita ji,
Rakesh bhai, change the date and the Muslims will come in a big way to donate blood.
Shahid, 1 minute. Very interesting point you're making. You're saying that Muslims should offer to organize blood donation camp a day before or after Eid for Deen Dayal Upadhyay, who may not see as an ideological affinity with, but you're saying karna chahiye, that their gesture of goodwill should be that.
No. Deen Dayal Upadhyay, as far as I know, was one of the most liberal leaders of BJP. I regard him as more ideologically a congressman than anything else. He was more of a socialist, and he was one of the finest BJP leaders. So I have great respect for him.
In his last speech in Calicut, he was the person who gave the theory of Indianization of Islam and said Muhammadi Hindu and Christian Hindu, or the Christian, they are of the same patronage, same link, and we have this common heritage, common legacy. So I think that Muslims should participate. And
but what if it's on Eid? The point is, why does it have to be on Eid?
The date of Eid was not decided. The date of Eid was not decided.
But now we know. Now we know.
So it is the subject amendment in democratic society.
It will be decided 10 days before Bakr Eid. It will be decided by 15
It is a centenary celebration.
Yes.
To be, please. It is a centenary celebration to be carried out for 12 months. It is not necessary to cancel a government holiday related to the festival of a minority.
No one is cancelling a government holiday. Who is cancelling a government holiday?
A ruling opposition party.
No, but you can do it on another day.
Who
you can do it on another day.
Who said?
Why
you are opposing yoga.
Why
you are opposing Vande Mataram. You are opposing Vande Mataram. What ground do you say that Vande Mataram is wrong?
I am not saying this.
You said
are making it compulsory.
You told just now that Vande Mataram and yoga.
You cannot impose. You cannot impose the religious rights of one community on another.
This is the Congress.
Neither can the Muslims do, nor can the Hindus do. They should be allowed. Don't talk about Congress. You are a polarizing impact on the society.
Sambit,
you can do it on any other day, but you will not do it.
Can we stop fighting over here?
Sambit, the question is this. It's coming in a context. The context is problematic. The context is problematic because Mr. Mahesh Sharma on the buck stops here says, I'm going to end cultural pollution. I'm going to end westernization. On Christmas, you have good governance. You have even the Chief Justice organizing a conference that one of the judges, Justice Kurian, then says, I will not attend. Then you have Janmashtami and Teachers' Day very amicably sorted out. Prime Minister Modi himself addresses an event one day before Teachers' Day so schools can shut for Janmashtami. Why can't we do the same here? Is it that much to expect, Sambit?
In fact, the complete decision is yet awaited. As I told you, and in fact, Mr. Siddiqui rightly pointed out that the dates have not been decided. But we have started fighting well before even the date of Bakr Eid is decided.
You are saying
that shows that, just a second, just a second. That shows that there is a sense of perverted secularism, you know, the perverted secularism, where we start speaking out of the turn.
You may not know, Sambit, you may not be aware, but Rajasthan's education minister, when asked about the circular today, said that if somebody wants to take chutti on Bakr Eid, they can, but hamara blood donation camp 25 ko hi rahega. He is not allowing for an amendment. This is the education minister on record, on camera.
No, let the date of Bakr Eid come first.
25th and not, he has said this. He has said that wo camp usi din rahega.
So Barkha, it is a voluntarily, it is not compulsory. If you want to come,
as I pointed out, it is absolutely a volunteer event. It's a volunteer event. 21,000 units have to be collected.
My question is, how come the blood donation camp disturbs
Shahid, answer that. How does the blood donation camp disturb Eid? Is it symbolic or is it literal, the disquiet?
No. It won't. I agree. It won't disturb Bakr Eid. And in Islam, most of the festivals are for praying. There is no festivities at all. It's a 1 hour, 2 hours business when they go to the mosque or they go for the Qurbani. I agree with that. but we go by public perception, public sentiments, and we live in India, not in Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
And in India, we celebrate all festivals for 3-4 days.
Yes.
Whether it's a Diwali or it's Holi or it's Eid.
And
we are Indians, we love to celebrate. We are not Saudis. We are not Saudis. So don't treat us as Saudi Muslims, we treat us as Indian Muslims.
Yes.
One line.
I think that's a very good point. राकेश जी, आप ये ना समझें कि सिर्फ मुसलमान ही ईद की छुट्टी चाहते हैं, हम भी जाते हैं अपने दोस्तों के घर.
A person to donate blood, it takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to come and devote 15 minutes for the noble cause, it is not the cause for the RSS, not the cause for the Hindutva, it is cause for the humanity. It is cause for the people.
Okay, I have to end. I'll allow Shahid a quick response to that. Shahid, I have to end. Shahid, you get the last word.
It's a full day activity.
Shahid.
Hundreds of people will be donating blood.
How do you know? It take 10-15 minutes, but if the teachers,
it's a full day activity?
If the teachers have to come compulsorily, and Barkha,
all day you are donating blood.
We celebrated our festivals together, Hindus and Muslims. I want a holiday for every Hindu. I want every Hindu to come to my house to celebrate, to be part of the holiday and part of the celebration. I don't want it only for Muslims. Eid is not only for Muslims. Eid is for everybody. Christmas is for everybody. So I want my Hindu friends to come to my house.
Yes.
I don't want only Muslims to do it.
So if my
colleagues in the school who are my friends and want to come and have biryani in my house, I will love to them have.
Sahid, we don't disagree
so
that.
Why should they be busy organizing the camp?
We don't disagree that we should visit mosque, they should visit temples. They should be. We want that आवाजाही जाना होना चाहिए दोनों में. It should not be one-way traffic. But at the same time, I say, if you come and donate blood and go to celebrate Eid, I think the noble cause is doubled.
But Rakesh ji, it is much more about the symbolism कि एक इतने बरसों से एक जो gazetted holiday चल रहा है, उसी ही दिन क्योंकि जन्माष्टमी और Teachers Day पे हमने देखा कि ये कैसे adjust हो सकता है.
Look, this is 25th. This is a birthday, and the government is celebrating in a way of blood donation without making it compulsory.
Yeah.
We should not take it in a contemptuous way for any religion or any festival. It is not a contempt at all.
Shahid, very quickly, people, a number of people may say you could adjust for Teachers Day and Janmashtami. Why not for this? Shahid, last word. Shahid,
and minoritism.
Shahid.
I'm unable to get your question, Barkha. Can you repeat it?
I'm saying people will say the adjustment was made for Teachers Day and Janmashtami, so why not for Eid and this blood donation camp?
Yes, Muslims may not ask this question, but politicians will ask this question, the media will ask this question, and then Muslims will feel that they are being targeted, of course. This perception is more dangerous.
I'll answer that. I will answer that.
Don't bother about it.
I will have to say goodbye to all of you now.
Secularism must be substantive, and that substantive secularism is not based on symbolism.
Sambit Patra, Rakesh Sinha, and Rita Bahuguna Joshi and Shahid Siddiqui.
No, Rakesh ji, in society and politics,
Barkha, remember that as far as blood donation is concerned, it is volunteer and only 21,000
I care for your sentiments on beef. I care for your sentiments.
But there is a symbolism here. There is a symbolism. I don't think anybody has a problem. Okay, I'm going to take the last word for myself. I don't think anybody has a problem, Hindu or Muslim, with the noble thing as a blood donation camp, and there you are right, Rakesh ji, but there is a larger symbolism attached to a decision that, as Sambit Patra says, could be amended. Right now, the Rajasthan Education Minister is saying no. Watch that space to see if he sticks to that. Shahid Siddiqui, Professor Rakesh Sinha, Sambit Patra, Rita Bahuguna Joshi, thank you so much for joining us on The Buck Stops Here, and that's it on the program tonight. See you tomorrow night at 9 p.m.